Monroe Public Schools is excited to continue celebrating School Family Appreciation Week. Today, we celebrate our bus drivers and our custodial maintenance staff. Take a listen to what our friends have to say about these wonderful people.
Well, thanks also Mr. Jim to clean our rooms. The hallway is so shiny.
I appreciate my bus driver for taking us back to our home after school.
She's a really good, she's good at cleaning up the school and the boy and the girls' bathrooms and the lunchroom.
She's nice. She says good morning and such, good night, have a good weekend.
Always have clean floors and bathrooms, and I really just want to say thank you for all the things you do for our school to make it beautiful.
Thank you once again to our amazing bus drivers who bring our students to school and back home every day safely and with a smile. And also thank you to our hardworking and dedicated custodial and maintenance staff who keeps our schools in tip-top shape every day. Have a staff member you want to recognize? Comment below with #ThankYouMPSFamily.